basic electrical.
Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will study about the operation and working of shaded pole motor. A shaded pole motor is an induction motor and of course is an AC motor. So it is an AC motor. It works on the principle of rotating magnetic field. And what is rotating magnetic field? There is a link on the top where I already explained rotating magnetic field. You can go to the link and you can study about what is rotating magnetic field. Now let's come to the topic. Now come to the shaded pole motor. A shaded pole induction motor is a first self-starting single-phase induction motor. This motor has a silent poles, which means just like the pole of DC motors, and a portion of each pole being encircled by a heavy copper ring. The presence of this ring actually causes the magnetic field through the ring portion of the pole face to lags significantly behind that through the other part of the pole face. A low resistance short circuited coil or a copper band is placed across one tip of each small pole, and that's why this motor is called shaded pole motor. The rotor of this motor is squirrel cage type, just like the induction motor. So the rotor of shaded pole motor and the induction motor are the same. As the AC current as shown in a graphical view increases in the stator winding, the magnetic flux also start increases in the stator winding. Now let's see the operation of shaded pole motor. As the magnetic field start increases, it cuts the low resistance shedding coil. Here, the Faraday's law is applied in the shedding coil due to change in flux because the flux is increasing. This action induces a current in a shedding coil. So, this induced current in the shedding coil sets up its own magnetic flux. And as per Lenz's law, this flux will oppose that flux that inducing the current in the shedding coil. Now, the main flux in the shaded portion having the opposition due to Lenz's law, while the unshaded portion having no opposition for the main flux. Hence, most of the flux passes through unshaded portion of the pole as shown. When the current in the winding reaches a maximum value as shown in the graph, the main flux also reaches its maximum value. At this particular point, for the fraction of second, the rate of change is 0. Thus, at this peak point, there is no rate of change in flux and the EMF induced in a shaded coil becomes 0. So, the opposition for the flux by shaded portion at this particular point or at this peak point will become 0 for fraction of second. Therefore, now the main flux also passes through the shaded portion of the pole at this particular peak point. Now, from this peak point or the maximum value of the current start decrease, and hence the flux also start to decreases. So once again there is a flux is changing from maximum to zero value, and again Faraday's law will be applied on a shedded coil. Now once again a changing flux induces the current in the shedding coil, but in this time the direction of current will be opposite to the previous one as shown, because now the current is decreasing. This current in a shedding coil sets up flux in a shedding winding, and as per Lenz's law, this shedding flux will oppose the decrease of main flux in the shedded portion, because this current in the shedding coil is inducing due to decrease in flux, so it will oppose the decreasing effect. As a result, the lines of force in the shedding portion are concentrated, and there is no opposition to decrease in the flux of the unshedded portion. So the main flux in the unshedded portion becomes zero, while the main flux in the shedded coil portion will lag due to opposition of the flux by shedding coil current. This lag in the time phase of the flux in the shedded tip causes the flux to produce the effect of sweeping across the face of the board from left to right in the direction of shedded tip, as you can see in this video. Now you can see this behave like a rotating magnetic field. It is not actually the rotating magnetic field like used in induction motor, but it will behave like a rotating magnetic field. The starting torque of the shedded pole motor is very weak, so it is used on a small fan. Now, here is the overall effect of shedding pole rotating magnetic field. That was all about the operation and working of a shedded pole motor. Thank you for watching this video.